Hello, my little stars. Welcome back to your English class. Are you all staying safe at your home? Okay. Do you remember the story, The Jungle Fight? Okay, let's recall the story. When the lion and the tiger fought with each other, who won the fight? The tiger. Which animal stands on two legs? Bear. Okay. How did the bear beat the tiger? The bear pulled the tiger's tail, so he lost his balance and fell down. How did the giraffe defeated the bear? The giraffe kicked the bear with its long leg. Let's see the rest of the story. The giraffe wins the fight. Suddenly, a bull comes there to fight with the giraffe. The giraffe fights with the bull, thinking that he is the tallest animal in the world. No one can defeat him. At that time, the bull hits the giraffe with its horns. Have you ever seen a bull? This is the picture of a bull, and these are its horns. Okay, the giraffe falls down with a cry. Next comes a horse to fight with the bull. Both of them fight with each other. The horse hits on the bull's belly, so the bull falls down. Belly means stomach. Then the horse says aloud, he is the winner. But at that time, a fox comes there to fight with the horse. As we all know, the fox is a tricky animal. The fox says the horse to look back. When it looks back, the fox jumps onto the horse and bites on its neck. So the horse falls down. Then it says that he is the final winner. My dears, do you know who will be the next fighter? Okay, let's see it in the next class. Okay, my dears, let's read the textbook. Come, fight with me. The bull shook his head and jumped forward. Shook is the past tense of shake. Are you challenging me? The giraffe asked angrily. I am the tallest. No one can beat me. The giraffe stepped forward. Stepped forward means moves to front. Thud. The bull butted his horns on the giraffe. Butted means hit with the horns. Look at this picture. The bull hits the man with its horns. The giraffe fell down. He howled with pain. Okay, next page. Come on. Who is the next fighter? The bull? Bellowed is the sound produced by a bull. I am here to fight with you, the horse neighed. Neighed is the sound produced by a horse. The bull and the horse stood face to face. The bull rushed to the horse. Rushed means run. Look at this picture. The boy is rushing. The horse stepped aside. Stepped aside means move to one side. Okay, thud. The horse kicked the bull on his belly. The bull fell down. Kicked means hit with the leg. Look, the boy is kicking a ball. Okay, next page. Hooray, hooray, I won, neighed the horse. Not yet, my dear. The fox jumped into the fighting ground. The horse stared at him. Stared means look fixedly at someone. Look, the girl is staring at us. Okay. They stood face to face, ready to fight. Hey, look, there is something behind you, the fox said cunningly. Cunningly means tricky. Okay, At once, the horse turned and looked back. Crunch! The fox bit the horse's neck. The horse fell down. Ha ha! I am the final winner, laughed the fox. That's all for today's class. Read the textbook again and again. Okay, my dears. Bye bye.